Hello everybody. Today I will tell you the story about NetApp waffles. As it is the time of the year, NetApp allows me to share the very top secret recipes. NetApp are the experts in waffle. There's no doubt about that, so please sit down and listen closely. Let's dive into the amazing world of NetApp waffles together. It's time we move past the standard butter and syrup routine. The waffle story goes back to a tradition in RTP, North Carolina, in the United States, where the former VP of NetApp support was making waffles for the support team once a month. The recipe was put into NetApp's first knowledge base to capture and preserve this secret. In this very tradition, this video is enhanced with the best waffle recipes in the world to inspire all the worldwide NetApp administrators, partners, and NetApp KB subscribers. First, let's start with the very basic waffle ingredients. This is the basis for the best in the world ever waffles. To do the trick, separate the eggs. Beat the egg whites with a mixer until stiff peaks form, like freshly fallen snow. Melt the butter, warm gently in a small saucepan or microwave. Beat together with sugar and vanilla sugar until light and fluffy. Make the batter festive. Add the egg yolks, flour, baking powder, salt, cinnamon, cardamom, nutmeg, and orange zest. Pour in the milk and mix until smooth. Fold in the egg whites. Gently fold to keep the batter airy, like holiday magic. Finally, bake the waffles. Preheat your waffle iron and lightly grease it. Spoon 2 to 3 tablespoons of batter into the iron and cook until golden brown. Grease the iron again between batches until you are done. Generally saying WAFL is a one-size-fits-all, but the flexibility is remarkable. The secret is to get creative with what you put on top of it. For days that are very loaded, NetApp recommends the Hawaiian or the chocolate banana blaster. For the Hawaiian, you need crushed pineapple, sweetened shredded coconut, and macadamia nuts. The chocolate banana blaster is made of sliced bananas, hot fudge sauce, and chocolate chips. Next, we go beyond boring plain or batter. This is to really get the most from waffle. Here we have a fried chicken waffle that consists of fried chicken, avocado, salsa, and jalapeno syrup to round it up, or the sweet corn with spicy maple syrup. This one has proven to be great also. If desired, making it a bit more healthy, you can top your waffles with Greek yogurt and honey have blueberries, or with sliced kiwi with pineapple segments with toasted coconut on top. Have a wonderful time with your loved ones and feel free to share your very own waffle creation in the comments. NetApp wishes you a happy holiday and a happy new year. Thank you for this amazing year. Your support, creativity, and energy have made all the difference. We're so grateful to have you with us on this journey. Thanks for choosing NetApp.